The benefit of the finishing flange is to create a clean edge between the finishing material and the fireplace opening. The ability to adjust the flange allows for multiple layers of finishing material at various thicknesses to be used when finishing the enclosure. Installing finishing material up to the flange ensures materials do not impede the removal of the safety barrier or travel of the pressure relief system. To finish the appliance correctly, remove the safety screen and identify all flange screw locations. The number of screws will vary depending on the appliance being installed. Loosen all the flange screws, ensuring the flange can move in and out freely. The flange can extend out from 1 to 1.5 inches to accommodate a variety of finishing material thicknesses. The flange can also be adjusted to a minimum depth of 1/2 inch to support common non-combustible board thickness. All finishing materials must be installed to the flange and not surpass it to maintain the ability to remove the safety barrier. Once finished, the flange must be adjusted inward to be flush with the finishing material. Once the flange is tight to the finishing material, ensure all the flange screws are retightened to maintain a clean edge around the appliance. With all these steps complete, the appliance is now finished correctly.